Here we go.
At the request of the Tennessee Emergency Management Agency, Nashville, Tennessee. This is a shelter-in-place warning in effect for Rutherford County.
This is me.
The location is along Interstate 24 at mile marker 87. An active hazmat exists and is on fire and is creating an inhalation hazard. The plume extends southward for about 1 mile. Go indoors, close doors and windows, turn off air conditioning and heating systems, and turn on radio and television for more information. In Nashville at 4 a.m.